Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ford Police Interceptor, but it looks like a taxi. It's by Matchbox. I'm assuming it's an undercover car, that's why it looks like a taxi. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Interceptor out of its box. And I think apart from the paint, everything else is like what you see on a police car. So it isn't doing a great job of being undercover car. But let's talk about it. So you notice this yellow paint, which is symbolic of the New York taxi, and that's what it says here, NYCT, and their flight and like different signs, the registration number for the taxi. Good detail on the side, wheels with the wheel hub, which kind of hubcap, sorry, which kind of shows like it's a very basic trim, steel wheels with hubcap. You got the door handles which are blacked out, so nice detail there. Also got the mirror, small vent grill there, I think. Let's go to the front. Again, this is where you can clearly see it looks like a police car with a spool bar, extra set of lights. Headlamp or grill isn't detailed. I don't know why the yellow part is there. Maybe they're trying to show the turn indicators. Has got the windshield wipers, and you can also see the lamps mounted on the top. So again, police thing. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler door. Also, the front doesn't have a closed window. You can see inside, and even inside, if you see, it has got details as a police car. So you got the monitor there and everything. It's not like a taxi. Coming to the back, partially detailed tail lamp. I can say that it's not fully detailed, and you got the small antenna here on the top, and twin exhaust. It comes out from the bottom. This is how it looks from the bottom. And this is how it looks from the top. So overall, should you get it? And it depends on you. It's not one of the best detailed mainline casting from Matchbox, and it's not, completely a police car or completely a taxi. So it depends on you. If you wanna, if you like collecting cop cars, you might wanna go for it. If not, well, no big deal. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.